Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delicious dish, savory preserved vegetable and pork rice bowl. Let's get cooking. Start by finely chopping both the white and green parts of green onions. Now we're going to use some dried preserved vegetables that have been soaked overnight for maximum flavor. Heat up a pan and add a touch of oil. Toss in the white part of those chopped green onions and some hand-torn dried chili peppers. Saute them until they become fragrant. Then add the minced meat and keep stir-frying until it changes color and gets that perfect sizzle. Next, stir in the soaked preserved vegetables for just about a minute. Here comes the flavor. Add light soy sauce, rice vinegar, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a pinch of salt to the mix. Now, pour in a bit of water and let it all dance together for about 2 minutes. Right before taking it off the heat, sprinkle in those vibrant green onion pieces. While all that goodness is coming together, you can get some rice steaming away. Finally, once your rice is ready, spread that delicious cooked mincemeat concoction on top. And there you have it, a fabulous savory preserved vegetable and pork rice bowl ready to enjoy. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.